Here at the top 20 musicians Olamide has helped and influenced their music career. Olamide is a prominent figure in the Nigerian music industry. Over the years, he has not only built an impressive career for himself, but also played a significant role in the rise of numerous musicians in the Nigerian music industry. His ability to spot and nurture talent has resulted to the rise of numerous successful musicians, each bringing their unique sound and style to the forefront. Through strategic collaborations, mentorship, support, Olamide has cemented his legacy as a pivotal figure in the development of the Nigerian music industry. So today we'll be sharing the top 20 musicians Olamide has helped and influenced their music career. If you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating and exciting content. Welcome to YCEE Media. Olamide played a pivotal role in the launching of the career of Zlatan. In 2018, Olamide collaborated with Zlatan on the song titled My Body, which became a massive success and brought Zlatan to the spotlight. Olamide's influence on Zlatan's career extends beyond collaboration, but also mentorship, offering guidance and support, introduced him to his network in the music industry to the likes of Badboy and Davido. Olamide's YBNL Nation also provided Zlatan a platform to release his music and also gain exposure. Under Olamide's mentorship, Zlatan with his unique style and energy flourished, leading to the release of several successful singles and also albums, including Zanku, Bolanle and many more. Zlatan's rapid rise to fame can be attributed to Olamide's influence and also support, cementing their mentor relationship as one of the most successful in the Nigerian music industry. Today, Zlatan is a household name in the Nigerian music industry, and his success is a testament to Olamide's impact on his career. Their collaboration and mentorship has left an undeniable mark on the Nigerian music industry, inspiring generations of new artists. Next on the list today is Portable, known for his street vibes, gained prominence with the help of Olamide. Their collaboration on the hit song Zazuze became a massive hit in 2021. Olamide's endorsements and future played a crucial role in Portable's rise to fame. Olamide paid for the video shoot of that massive song and also gave him a platform in which he used to flourish. Today, Portable is one of the massive street musicians in Nigeria, making waves for himself. Olamide shot the video, paid for it, and also gave Portable the royalty to all the songs, which Pokoli also featured in that songs. Olamide gave him a platform in which he also performed in Wizkid's end of the year party, which Wizkid sprayed him thousands of dollars. Next on the list today is Davolee. He was signed to Olamide YBNL Nation in 2016 after catching Olamide's attention with his street-inspired lyrics. Their collaboration on the song Pepper Dem Gang from Olamide's The Glory album was a major hit. Davolee's career flourished under Olamide's mentorship, although he eventually decided to leave YBNL Nation to explore new opportunities, which Olamide also supported, and up to today they also kept a good relationship, which Olamide is still supporting his music career. Next on the list today is Lyta. Lyta joined Olamide's YBNL Nation in 2018, and Olamide's influence was immediately apparent. Lyta's debut single titled Time featuring Olamide gave him an instant hit. They collaborated on several other tracks, and Olamide's mentorship helped Lyta refine his craft. Although he left YBNL Nation in a very sour note to pursue other opportunities, but unfortunately, things has not been going well for him since then. Davido also helped trying to revive his career after he featured on the remix of his hit song then Mona Lisa, but since then, it has not been easy for Lyta. Viktor was one of the earlier signees to Olamide's YBNL Nation. Olamide discovered him alongside Lekesh and brought him into the fold. Viktor's single Skibby That featured Olamide, and their collaboration on the hit song All My Ladies helped boost Viktor's career. Despite not achieving the same level of success as some of his peers, Viktor's association with Olamide opened many doors for him in the Nigerian music industry. Next on the list today is Chinko Ekun. His journey into the limelight began when Olamide noticed his remarkable freestyle skills and raw talent. Impressed by his lyrical abilities, Olamide signed him into YBNL Nation in 2013. This signing was a crucial step in Chinko Ekun's career. It provided him with resources, mentorship, and exposure needed to thrive in the competitive music industry. Under Olamide's YBNL, he released several tracks that gained attention. One of his early notable works was the single titled Emoney featuring Olamide, which showcased his unique rap style and also lyrical dexterity. Olamide's collaboration and endorsement helped Chinko Ekun gain traction and build a fan base in the music industry. Their joint effort on tracks like Kagun further solidified Chinko Ekun's position in the Nigerian music scene. Olamide's role extended just beyond collaboration. He provided Chinko Ekun with invaluable mentorship. Olamide's experience and knowledge of the industry was crucial to helping Chinko Ekun's career path. He guided him in navigating the music industry, from understanding how the music industry works to music production, effective engagement with fans and media. Being part of YBNL Nation, one of the most influential record labels in Nigeria, gave Chinko Ekun a significant platform to grow. Olamide frequently included him in YBNL concerts and projects, allowing him to perform alongside established artists to get substantial exposure. The visibility was essential in establishing Chinko Ekun's brand and also expanding his reach in the music industry. Even after parting ways with Olamide's YBNL, Olamide's influence on Chinko Ekun's career remained evident. The foundation and exposure provided by Olamide helped Chinko Ekun carve out a successful solo career. His hit single Ebo Gold, featuring Zlatan and also Lyta, is a testament to the skills and confidence he developed under Olamide's mentorship. Olamide played a pivotal role in Phyno's career. Their collaboration on the hit song titled Ghost Mode in 2012 marked the beginning of a fruitful friendship between Olamide and Phyno. Olamide's guidance and support helped Phyno navigate the industry, introducing him to key players and sharing valuable insights. Olamide's influence on Phyno's style is evident of his early work, with Phyno adopting the similar blend of Igbo and English lyrics. The success of Ghost Mode catapulted Phyno to fame, earning him recognition and accolades. As Phyno's career progressed, Olamide's friendship prepared him for independent success. Phyno went on and found Penthouse Music to release several successful albums and singles together. He remains grateful for Olamide's role in his journey to stardom, crediting him as a key factor in his success. Olamide and Phyno has remained best of friends, collaborating in over 10 songs together and also doing a joint album together titled Two Kings. Next is Naira Marley. Olamide has been influential in Naira Marley's career, collaborating on several tracks that boosted Marley's popularity. Songs like Isago brought Naira Marley into the limelight. His controversial style and street-oriented music has since made him a prominent figure in the Nigerian music industry. Shmurda gained significant attention and also popularity after his song titled Vision 2020 featuring Olamide. The collaboration helped Shmurda reach wider audience known for his unique voice and emotional lyrics. Shmurda continues to make waves in the Nigerian music industry since Olamide helped influence his career. Since then, Olamide has remained a pivotal role in the career of Shmurda, always showing support and also collaborating with him on several tracks and also linking up with the big dogs in the Nigerian music industry. Adekunle Gold's journey with Olamide began when he designed the YBNL logo and got a chance to present his music to Olamide. His unique blend of high life and Afro-pop caught the attention of Olamide, leading to his signing to YBNL Nation in 2015. His debut album Gold featured hits like Sade and also Oriente, earning critical acclaim and commercial success. Adekunle Gold's artistry has since evolved, making him one of Nigeria's most loved musicians. Next on the list today is Zinolesky, known for his melodic voice and street-inspired lyrics, has been influenced by Olamide's mentorship and support. Although he was never signed to Olamide's YBNL Nation, but Olamide's guidance has been instrumental in Zinolesky's career and also rise to fame, with his songs like Mapariwo and Kilo Feshe. Next on the list today is Limerick. He was another artist that was brought into the spotlight by Olamide in 2018. His debut single titled Person featuring Olamide quickly gained popularity all over Nigeria, with fans vibing to the songs and was making waves on the streets of Lagos and all over Nigeria. The mentorship and collaboration with Olamide provided Limerick with the platform he needed to showcase his talent to the rest of the world. But unfortunately, he did not hit much results as he is still struggling to stand his foot in the Nigerian music industry. But the help of Olamide helped give him the limelight he needed to first showcase himself in the Nigerian music industry. Pepenazi was a big name in the Nigerian music industry back in the days. His collaboration with Olamide in the track Illegal in 2015 was a turning point in his career. While not formally signed to YBNL record, Olamide's influence and collaborations helped Pepenazi gain significant recognition and also success in the Nigerian music industry. He helped give him a foothold in the Nigerian music industry, which he used to gain several collaborations from top-notch artists all over Nigeria. Olamide's help in Pepenazi's career is something that will never be forgotten, as Pepenazi always in all his interviews is giving praises to Olamide for helping and giving him a platform to grow as an artist. Olamide played a key role in elevating Badboy Timz' career, particularly through their collaboration on the remix of Timz' breakout song titled Loading in 2020. Badboy Timz has already started gaining attention with songs like MJ, but it was Olamide's decision to feature him in his album Carpe Diem. Olamide's highly successful studio album propelled him into the mainstream in the Nigerian music industry. The track Loading became a major hit, with Olamide's influence helping him amplify the song's reach across Nigeria and beyond. The fusion of Olamide's already established star power with Timz' fresh energetic vibe created a viral sensation, giving the Badboy Timz the exposure he needed to establish himself in the Nigerian music industry. Next on the list today is YCEE. Olamide played a pivotal role in shaping and advancing the career of YCEE, one of Nigeria's most talented hip-hop artists. YCEE initially gained recognition with his breakthrough single titled Jagaban in 2015. Although the song was a street anthem, it was Olamide's involvement that propelled YCEE mainstream success. Olamide, already an established figure in the Nigerian music industry, recognized YCEE potential and jumped on the remix of that song Jagaban, which significantly boosted the song's reach. The collaboration exposed YCEE to a larger audience and earned him more credibility, especially within the Yoruba-speaking community where Olamide had massive following. Beyond just collaboration on the remix, Olamide's influence extended to his encouragement of YCEE's artistry. Olamide has always been known for his work ethic and his dedication to mentoring young artists, and YCEE benefited from this. He frequently mentioned Olamide in interviews as a source of inspiration, citing how Olamide's success as a rapper and a label boss gave him a blueprint to follow. Olamide's ability to switch between indigenous rap and more mainstream sounds was something YCEE has begun to incorporate into his own music, making him a versatile artist. Olamide played a crucial role in the career of Pheelz, the producer, one of Nigeria's most successful music producers. Pheelz began his career under the mentorship of ID Kapasa at Coded Tunes, but it was his work with Olamide that brought him into the spotlight. When Olamide launched his record label, the YBNL Nation, Pheelz became the go-producer for many of the label's major hit songs. Their partnership began with Olamide's second studio album called YBNL, Yahoo Boys No Laptop, where Pheelz produced multiple tracks of that album. His signature sound, blended to the traditional Afrobeat rhythms with contemporary hip-hop elements, was instrumental in shaping Olamide's sound and by extension the sound of the Nigerian street music. Olamide's influence on Pheelz's career went just beyond music production credit. He trusted Pheelz with complete creative freedom, which allowed the producer to experiment and innovate in his ways that other artists might not have allowed. This partnership gave Pheelz a platform to showcase his versatility, leading to the production of hit tracks like Dorosoke, First of All, Shakiti Bobo, and many more. Olamide also featured Pheelz's vocals on the hit song Son of Abraham, further boosting his visibility. Through their collaboration, Pheelz became one of the most sought-after producers in the Nigerian music industry, working with top artists such as Tiwa Savage, Davido, and others. Olamide's trust and consistent collaboration were key to helping Pheelz establish himself, leading to a major figure in the Nigerian music industry. He has since become an artist, dropping massive songs featuring Buju and also Davido. Temmie Ovwasa, who is also known as the YBNL Princess, she was the first female artist to be signed into the record label. She was signed into YBNL in 2016 after Olamide discovered her via her Instagram covers. Her singles like Davolee and Afefe received significant attention due to Olamide's backing. The two have collaborated in several tracks, with Olamide providing the necessary support to showcase her unique music voice and style. But unfortunately, she did not reach the level Olamide had finally reached. But finally, she left YBNL record and she is still struggling to find her feet in the Nigerian music industry. Olamide played a significant role in boosting CDQ's career, particularly in the early stages of his music rise in the Nigerian industry. CDQ, known for his indigenous rap style, gained wider recognition after collaborating with Olamide in the remix of the 2015 song Woos, which further established CDQ as a prominent voice in the street music. Olamide's contribution to the remix helped expand the song's reach, as Olamide established fan base connected with CDQ's unique style, blending the Yoruba rap with energetic beats. This collaboration gave CDQ the necessary exposure he needed to gain foothold in the Nigerian music industry. Next on the list today is Young John, the Wicked producer. Olamide played a significant role in boosting the career of Young John as a music producer. Young John, known for his high-energy beats and catchy production style, first gained recognition while working with Olamide on YBNL projects. His breakthrough came when he produced the hit track Story for the Gods for Olamide's 2014 album Street OT. The song's success brought Young John's name to the forefront of the Nigerian music production, and from there he became a frequent collaborator with Olamide, producing some of his biggest hits including Bobo, Wo, and Science Student. These tracks helped define the sound of street music in Nigeria, solidifying Young John as one of the sought-after producers in the Nigerian music industry. With his time as a producer, he gained experience to establish himself as an artist. Today, he's one of the biggest artists in the Nigerian music industry, dropping banging singles and also major hit songs after his songs. Next on the list today is Fireboy DML. Olamide played a crucial role in shaping Fireboy DML's career and rise to fame. In 2018, Olamide discovered Fireboy's talent and signed him into the YBNL record label, providing him with a platform and exposure needed to succeed in the Nigeria competitive music industry. Under Olamide's mentorship, Fireboy was able to focus on honing his craft, blending Afrobeat, R&B, and soul into his signature sound. Olamide believed in Fireboy's signature music style, which differed from the typical street pop sound associated with the YBNL. This belief gave Fireboy the creative freedom to develop as an artist, leading to the release of his debut album titled Laughter, Tears and Goosebumps in 2019. The album was a commercial and critical success, with hits like Jealous, King that showcased Fireboy's versatility and lyrical depth. Since then, Fireboy has gone on to release 3 studio albums under the YBNL record, and now he's still moving and pushing boundaries, establishing himself as one of the sought-after music artists in the Nigerian music industry. Olamide played a major role in transforming and shaping Asake's music career. Although Asake has been in the Nigerian music industry for a while, releasing songs and trying to make name for himself, it was Olamide's intervention that gave him the breakthrough he needed. In the early 2022, Olamide signed Asake to the YBNL record after being impressed with his talent, particularly the viral success of his single Then Omope. Olamide not only signed him but also jumped on the remix of that song Omope, adding his own verse and lending the track more credibility to mainstream appeal. This collaboration instantly catapulted Asake into the limelight, and the song became a massive hit, cementing his place in the Nigerian music industry. Asake followed up the success of Omope by dropping an EP with an hit song titled Sumba. With the help of Olamide got Burna Boy to jump on the remix of that song, and it became a mainstream hit in the Nigerian music industry. Under Olamide's YBNL mentorship, mentorship, Asake's career skyrocketed. Olamide provided the platform, resources and guidance that allowed Asake to flourish artistically. Asake's debut album titled Mr. Money with the Vibe was a huge success with multiple charting singles, and Olamide's influence was evident in the album's sonic direction. The YBN boss gave Asake the freedom to blend Afrobeat, street pop and Fuji into his own unique sound, while also offering the industry insight and strategic support. Olamide's belief in Asake's potential and decision to consider him early in his career was instrumental in the turning into Asake as one of the fastest rising Afrobeat artists of all time. Since then, Asake has gone on to drop 3 studio albums and also selling out shows all over the world, including the iconic O2 Arena, Madison Square Garden, and major arenas all over the world. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it. You can also mention some of the artists Olamide has helped but also influenced their career in the comment section.